Hi, I'm Joe King Papa from YoYoCredit.com, where our slogan is, when your credit is down, we bring it up. If your credit report's a mess, or your score is holding you back, or you're just tired of not knowing what the hell is actually hurting you, you're in the right place. YoYo Credit is built to help people understand, fix, repair their credit the right way. That means identifying errors, disputing what should not be there, cleaning up what can be corrected to build a stronger profile for you, and to use the systems that are in place for consumer protection to help protect you. No fake promises, no magic tricks, no nonsense. There are things built into your contracts that the average user just isn't aware of. And that's where we come in. A lot of people think that credit repair is some kind of mystery world full of loopholes and hacks. There are a lot of things out there we can do, but it's not magic. It's about accuracy, it's about strategy, consistency, and knowing how to play the game legally and intelligently. And this is where YoYo Credit and AICreditFunding.com work together. YoYo Credit helps strengthen the personal credit side of the equation, and then AICreditFunding.com, we help you to leverage that personal credit and smart positioning to go after business funding, including 0% interest opportunities when you qualify. So you have to have the good credit in order to move on to the AI credit funding side of things. So one business helps you clean up and build your personal foundation, not necessarily for business purposes, but the other one, AICreditFunding.com, is 100% business related if you want to take your personal foundation and move past that. If you want to improve your personal credit, start right here, YoYoCredit.com. Fill out the application. Our team will contact you. If you want to look into the business funding side of that, you can head over to AICreditFunding.com and find out how your personal credit can really help move your business forward. Again, my name is King Papa. I go by Joe online. This is where we stop guessing, start fixing, and start building real financial momentum. I look forward to working with you. Click that link. Check us out. Have a great day.